I hit this issue today and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to change your email on Varo, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Varo app. Launch the Varo app on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Tap on the profile icon or the settings gear in the top right corner to access your account settings. Step 3. Select email address. Look for the option labeled email address or contact information in the settings menu. Tap on it to proceed. Step 4. Enter new email. Type in your new email address and confirm it by re-entering it in a provided field. Double check for typos. Quick gotcha: if you accidentally enter an email that is already in use, you'll see an error message prompting you to try another one. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email, look for the Save button at the bottom of the screen and tap it to finalize your changes. Changing your email on Varo is straightforward once you know where to look. If you have any issues, feel free to reach out for help.